At any given moment, this situation could be your situation. An unfortunate situation. You know, especially coming from a place like where I live currently. People just do crazy things for foolish reason a lot of times. But here what I say Jamaica, I talk to the youth them who they empower their friend, who they empower their neighbor, who they empower them one another, who take the time to talk about something positive, as opposed to running foolish joke when I contribute nothing to self-development or development of others. So please, Jamaica people, especially young men like myself, please, guess what I go on? There's a thing called social awareness. Make we start practice social awareness. Make we start learn how to reason with each other. You know, understand that everyone has feelings and emotions, and we must act in a manner where we do not hurt our neighbor, our friend, our brother, or a lover. You know, let's start being more receptive to each other's feelings. You know, because listen, it don't make no sense we get up and act crazy every day, act confused every day, and practice ignorance every day. Information is widely and easily accessible. Why not search for something on the internet right now? Please go YouTube or go Google. Do a search. Ask Google or YouTube a question. Study something, no man. Learn something new. Something that will empower you, your surrounding, and your family and friends. You know, I'm tired of the senseless killing. And please, all the musicians out there and players of instruments, singers and players of instruments, you better believe that whenever you become a star, it comes with great responsibility. Remember, you are impacting the mind of millions of people who are widely exposed to your music. So remember, be responsible with the type of music where you feed the population with. You know, because if I have a restaurant and every type of meal I serve have poison in it, all of my customers go dead. So if you get up every day and approve and practice badness, you go kill some people, you are go dead. All of your friends them, guess what? No? You see, if you live by the sword, you go die by the sword. But nobody now use sword nowadays. A gun them I use. So if you live by the gun, you know the rest of it. I don't have to say 49, because 39 good. In the realest way. You see me I say, remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down there.